The area charge are similar to the line charge, except the area under the line was filled in. As you can see, it also is show us the starting point here, then increasing until here, still increasing until here, but decreasing to here and increasing back. It is similar to the line charge because line charge is also using the line to show us that where is increasing and where is decreasing. It is similar to this area charge too. So it is it is the advantage of the area charge too. Okay. After that, let's carry on to the next type of charge. As usual, highlighted the table and click on the sixth type of charge, the surface charge. There are three types: the stock, the surface, the radar. But normally, take a look. But normally we use the surface as surface chart on it. Then we create bigger. Then you can see the layer. You can see the first one, the orange layer, the second one, the third one, and the fourth one. The surface chart allows you to display data across a 3D landscape. As you can see here, the layer. It works best with large data sets, allowing you to see a variety of information at the same time. Yeah, you can see the young adult 2008, 2009, 2010, 2011, and 12. You can see here the data. I can show you like a landscape. It's quite actually it's quite confused. In my opinion, I not prefer to use this style of chart. I can prefer you to use the column, the line, and also the pipe. The chart title and the exit title is remain the same. The way to do so is same with other type of chart. So let's carry on to the next type due to the time. The next one is the scatter of bubble chart. For this, we use another type of example. You can see there's a table I already prepared in advance. In order to draw a chart, we need to highlight the table that we want to use. Then we highlight this table, then we click on the table, the chart that we want to use. There's two types, the scatter and bubble. Let's use the scatter one. Simply take a look. We use the first one. As usual, make it simple and bigger. Then you can see the point here. The scatter chart to show stratified XY data. Scatter charts are often used to find out if there is a relationship between variables x and y. You can see the point here, the boundary. It like the coordinate. Do you know the coordinate? It's similar like coordinate, just the background is not very similar. Then actually you can put a trend line like this. We click the simple plus, then we add a trend line. You can see a trend line here. Then we can see it is above the trend line or below the trend line. Yeah, so it is very clear to let us find out there is relation between the x and y or not. For example, if the point touch the line means that the point have relationship between x and y. If the point didn't touch the point, means that they don't have a. Okay, then this is very simple to understand. So hope you are understand and not get confused with this. Then we can go on to the next type. The bubble chart. We use another type of segment, the table. As usual, we must always highlight a table in order to draw a chart. Highlight as we highlighted the table, use and we click on the same place, but different way. The bubble one. There is 2D bubble and 3D bubble. Let's use the 3D. Make it bigger to see clearer. Thus, due to the statement, the information in the table is too close, so they will see like this, all mixed together. However, there's a way to fix that, which is to put it and then click on here, and we use the size represent, use the width of bubble, then we change the scale bubble size to 100, from 100 to 30. So you can see, and then close this. Then we close the format data series. Then you can see very clearly the point linked with the x-axis and the y-axis very clearer. Let's undo back to see the difference. Can you see the difference? Yeah, you can also change the bold color. Can you see that? And the style is also the same way with another type of chart, so it's not so complicated as you master the skill. You also can add a trend line for this. You also no need to add the trend line also. It depends to each other. Thus, moreover, let me introduce another type of chart which is more funny. It can be say funny, but it can be say more interesting. It is the combo chart. Combo chart in the clear insert. As usual, don't forget about that. Always highlight the table and then click the chart that you want, the combo chart. Click. There's 3 types and use the second one. Make it bigger to see clearer. You can see here. The blue color represents the revenues, the orange color represents the expenses, and the line of gray color is represent the expenses as percentage. So this is the combo chart. Combo chart means that when the number in a chart you created vary whether from data series to data series, or when you have mixed type of data, you can plot one more of data series on a secondary vertical. For example, the primary data is the revenues and the expenses, and the secondary data is the line, the gray line here, expenses as percentage. We can then we can see this chart is combined with two types of chart, which is the column chart and the line chart. Combo charts also mean that when there is two type or more, but normally it's two type, but two type of charts that link in a chart means the combo chart. Okay, the last one we can use another example here. The last one is the pivot chart. Also is the same. Highlight the table, and use the pivot chart. There you see like this. There you pick three of them. You can